Get them tight in here. Hit them with frosting. Hey kids, remember this? Goober, peanut butter and grape jelly. I'm going to take this croissant dough. I'm going to make peanut butter and jelly rolls with a peanut butter and jelly cream cheese frosting. Showed a couple tricks too. Couldn't find my rolling pin. That's the problem. So what do you do when you can't find your rolling pin? Bottle of wine. This is just a 1997 California cab. Kind of old. Okay, we're getting close. We're getting close to roll it because we want it substantially thinner. Pretty thin. Pretty cool. Now, one of the things I learned a long time ago, when you try to spread things that are a little tricky, like just spray a little ghee or any kind of a oil. So we're going to dig in here. I already know it's going to taste good. How do I know? I'm a genius. Look at this. Okay. Here we go. Cast iron pan next. Some ghee. What I like about ghee is it's clarified butter and it's got 485-degree burn. I like to use knives as a template. We're going to go here. See I'm laying the knife on it. If you find yourself getting too much sticky, wipe it off and get yourself some more oil. This is fun for me. See if I can finish without an oil stop. Yes, I did. I made it. Spray the pan with ghee. Yeah, I could have used another loaf, but that looks pretty good actually. Get them tight in here. Try and make them all look like they're part of something fun. Okay, let's go out to the cooker. Let's put them on. And then we'll make the icing. Okay, it's in the cooker. We're back. This crazy idea I had is now going to get some icing. Now, whoever came up with cream cheese, I think, is right up there with the guy who came up with the corn dog. Culinary legends. I happen to love cream cheese. Perfectly good processed powdered sugar. You never see this in one of those health magazines. Now, a lot of guys might feather this in. Is this working? You know what I'm doing? I'm going for it. If I mess up, guess what? There's no icing. Big deal. Vanilla. More than they call for. Some goober. Okay, here we go. That's like really good. You know, though, I'm never completely happy with what I do. A little more of that. Okay. Woo-hoo-hoo!
Money.
I mean, I'm sorry, kids. It's like really good. Like I'm trying to think of what else I could put it on. All right, we're going out to the cooker. We're going to see how it looks. And when you make this, make sure that you don't eat the icing. All right, let's pull it off. Open her up, Bradley. Oh, let's go before I get too excited. All right, pull them off and we're ready to go. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Okay, I'm not as crazy as I thought. Now we're going to come around here, scoop them out. Time to hit them with frosting. Okay, let's get these frosted up. Well, hello, kids.